Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you, my friends? How are you? I'm so happy to be with you again. And welcome to English for Fun.
Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Alice and welcome to our weekly lesson. And before we start, let's make sure that your hearing ears are on. Are your ears on? Mine's on. And yours? Are your ears on? Good. What about your eyes? Are you looking eyes on? Are you looking eyes on? Perfect. Let's start with days of the week. Can you tell me what day is it today? And today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Yesterday it was Saturday. And today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday all day long. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday all day long. Today is Sunday. Repeat after me. Today is Sunday. Can you spell it? Let's spell it together. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. Let's move on. And our next stop is a letter of the week. And the letter of the week is the letter G. 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 Let's learn some words with letter G. G for green. Green. G for girl. Girl. G for grapes. Grapes. G for giant. Giant. G for giraffe. Giraffe. Green, girl, grapes, giant, giraffe. And our next stop is what is the weather today? What is the weather today? Is it sunny today? No, it isn't. Is it rainy today? Yes, it is rainy. Today is rainy. Is it windy today? No, it isn't. Is it snowy today? No, it isn't. Is it cloudy today? No, it isn't. Today is rainy. Today is rainy. Good job. And now let's move on. And our next stop is a number of the week. And the number of the week is number 7. 7. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Number 7. 7. Can you spell it? S E V E N. 7. 7. How many balls can you see? I can see 7 balls. How many cars can you see? I can see 7 cars. How many dolls can you see? I can see 7 dolls. How many boys can you see? I can see 7 boys. How many girls can you see? I can see 7 girls. 7 balls, 7 cars, 7 dolls, 7 boys, and 7 girls. And now it's song time. Let's sing the number song. Today we're going to sing potato song. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4, 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with me, click like, subscribe. It's Teacher Alice. See you next time. Bye bye for now.